Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt, as you probably know by now, and today I've got a sentence structure which might be useful at the moment or with anything to do with people around the place who aren't feeling the best. So this is kei te, so that's the present tense, kei te, and mamai means something's sore or hurting, and then tō, we'll look at tō first, and that means your. Kei te mamai tō koro koro, and that's a question, and that's saying, do you have a sore throat? Kei te mamai tō koro koro, and that kind of means literally, presently, is it sore, your throat? So do you have a sore throat? If you wanted to change that to my throat is sore, kei te mamai tōku koro koro, and if you wanted to say his or her throat is sore, kei te mamai tōna koro koro. And then you can replace this with any other body parts that are hurting or sore. So for example, mati mati, for finger, kei te mamai tō mati mati, is your finger sore, is your finger hurting? Perhaps somebody's got a sore ear. Kei te mamai tō taringa, is your ear sore? And then the same with changing from your to my or his or her. So you can have a little try around with that and with different body parts, and you know, for arms and legs and eyes and nose and whatever else parts might be hurting, and use that sentence structure. Ka kite.